So hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. This video is dedicated to the newly launched course which I am going to talk about in the next few minutes. So there will be two courses for the upcoming Csir-Net June 2022 examination. The first course is complete course on electromagnetic theory and the second course is complete course on thermal and statistical physics. So these two courses are designed for the upcoming Csir-Net June 2022 examination, not this immediate examination which is scheduled to happen in February 15. Okay, this is targeted for June 2022. So these two courses will be complete courses and detailed courses. Everything will be taught from the scratch. Really, like everything will be started from the zero level, and the total complete syllabus of EMT, electromagnetic theory, and thermal and statistical physics will be covered. Now the first course, complete course on electromagnetic theory, this is starting on 31st of January 2022, means Monday, and it will be tri-weekly, means in a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, these 3 days this course will be taken, and simultaneously on the same time the complete course on thermal and statistical physics will be taken on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. This is also tri-weekly. So these two courses will go on simultaneously. Now let me tell you about the syllabus of these two courses. So you know, in your Csir-Net physical science syllabus, electromagnetic theory as well as the thermal and statistical physics, they have two parts, core part and advanced part. So in this course both the parts will be covered in detail. Now you can see in the core section what is there. Electrostatics starts with Gauss law and its application, then some other things are there, Laplace Poisson equation, boundary problems, then it starts with magnetic statics, Boy-Sabat law, Ampere's theorem and many other things, boundary condition at the fields at interfaces, scalar and vector potential, gauge invariance, electromagnetic waves in free space, dielectrics and conductors, reflection and diffraction, polarization, Fresnel's law, interference, diffraction, dynamics of charged particle in static and uniform, and electromagnetic. So you see, the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus are like very few. We have to study a lot. Okay, many things are not specifically mentioned in the syllabus, but we have to do that and we will take care of them also. Then in the advanced portion you can see plasma is there, Lorentz invariance, transmission line waveguides, radiation, these things are there. So all the things will be taken care of. And in the thermal and statistical physics also you have given the two portion, core and advanced. In core portion it starts with laws of thermodynamics, you know, first law and second law of thermodynamics will be mostly taken care of. Other two laws of thermodynamics also there, you know, zeroth law and third law, that will also be like the statements will be given there. Maxwell's relations, thermodynamic potential, then phase spaces, microcanonical ensemble, basically microcanonical, canonical and grand canonical ensembles, and free energy and its connection with different quantities, then classical and quantum statistics, and finally principle of detailed balance, Black-body radiation and Planck's distribution law. And in thermal and statistical advanced portion you can see phase transition is there, magnetism is there, diffusion, random walk, Brownian motion and non-equilibrium processes. So if you look at the syllabus of thermal and statistical physics, you see the syllabus is not too large as compared to the syllabus of electromagnetic theory. So don't worry, whatever things are mentioned in the syllabus, we will complete them in the detailed class or course. So first of all, before we start preparing for a subject in Csir-Net physical science, we should know about the weightage of that subject. So the weightage of electromagnetic theory is around, we can say, for this EMT electromagnetic theory, you can expect around 35 to 40 marks. It varies actually everywhere. On average you can expect around 35 marks, but it can go up to 40 also. For the thermal and statistical, you can expect marks around 30 to 35. Okay, so you can see these two subjects can give you around 65 to maybe 70 or more than that. So these many marks are huge marks. So you should definitely cover these two subjects completely. Now let's talk about the course here. What are the details of this course? So total 26 lectures will be taken for EMT and 24 lectures will be taken for Thermal and Statistical Physics. Each of the lecture will be 2 hours long live classes, and a dedicated doubt clearing sessions will be there after every 3 lectures, means lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, then a doubt clearing session. That will be dedicated doubt clearing session. There you can ask all of your doubts, and during the lecture also you can just clarify your doubts, but a dedicated doubt clearing session is kept so that you don't have any doubts left. And in the dedicated doubt clearing session, if all the doubts are taken, then we can proceed with the topic. Then regular assignments will be given. You can join our Telegram group. The Telegram group ID is Physics Hub 1, PHYSICX HUB 1. And previous year questions with detailed solutions will be discussed during the lectures only. Relevant previous year questions will be discussed in detail, and new questions will also be discussed in detail during the lectures, and short notes will be provided, and classes in these courses will be conducted in English language, and the notes will also be provided in English. Now the next thing is how you can attend these courses. So to attend these courses, you can just visit Unacademy Learning app or Unacademy website, and you can log in there, and after login you can choose the category CSR EDC Net, and you have to get subscription. There are 2 types of subscription, Plus and Iconic. You can select Plus. In the Plus subscription, you can get different plans, like starting with 3 months, then 6 months, 12, 24 months. So you can choose as per your convenience. So if you are targeting for CSR-Net for 1 semester, you can go for 6 months subscription, let's say. And if you apply our referral code Physics Hub, this is also the channel name, PHYSICX HUB, then Unacademy will give you maximum discount, maybe 10%. And if offer is available, that will be taken care of. So maximum discount will be given if you apply this referral code Physics Hub. And what else? Okay, so after taking the subscription, you can search with my name on the Unacademy Learning app or Unacademy app also. You can search it with Sahin Sorifi, SHIN SORIFI, and you can get my profile. In the profile, you can enroll for all the courses which are there. You can watch all the previous old lectures, as well as the upcoming lectures till your subscription is valid. You can watch and attend and download all of the things, and all the course links are given in the description. You can go and check out the links, and you can enroll for the course. So this was just a course description video. See you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR-Net, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSR-Net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSR-Net Physical Science syllabus. My approach is I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code Physics Hub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.